Mess kits are some of the most ubiquitous pieces of military gear. From the dawn of conflict through the Second World War, nearly every soldier carried a mess kit of some kind. Typically, they'd consist of a dish or two, some cutlery, and a canteen. Basic stuff. However, some mess kits really stand out. This oversized, all-aluminum Italian officer's mess kit is large enough to feed an entire troop. It comes with a small and medium pot nestled inside a larger pot, and those 3 pots are accompanied by a couple of serving trays and one universal lid. Like all military mess kits, this one is designed to be compact. That said, this giant isn't fooling anyone, and it's certainly not an everyday carry. More than likely, this was part of a greater mobile kitchen used to move meals around base. So, why don't we see more modern kits like this? Well, mess kits began falling out of favor as far back as World War II for multiple reasons. For one, mess kits are heavy, bulky, and like to rattle around, making lots of noise. Secondly, they're a potential health hazard due to difficulty sanitizing them in the field. The real death of the mess kit, though, was brought on by the advent of the MRE. Ready-to-eat meals are, well, ready to eat. They're designed to be easier to consume without the use of cooking equipment or bulky kits. So, if you're a fan of military mess kits, you'd better start working on your collection now, because they're not making kits like these anymore.